the lockdown period is extending. We are already in the second phase of the lockdown. Now, I have already finished the first set of books in the first 21 days of the lockdown. That is the reason I am making another TBR of fiction and non-fiction books which I plan to read in the coming days. Hello and welcome to Book Tales by Preetha. And as I ask always in my all videos, have you subscribed my channel Book Tales by Preetha? Is the subscribe button still red? If yes, then please press the subscribe button so that you get a notification whenever I post a new video. Also, to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, follow Book Tales by Preetha on Instagram. We are also there on Facebook by the name Book Tales by Preetha. There is a Facebook page and a Facebook group. On Twitter, it is my personal handle, which is @PreethaSharkar18. I also write blog, and you can follow my blog at preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. All the books that I talk in my videos, I always give the link of all the books in the description section below. So that if you want to buy these books, then you buy from the link given in the description section below. Because if you buy it from the link given in the description section, then I get a very small percentage as commission from the Amazon affiliate link. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. The first book that I am currently reading is Avarna the Veil. I have already talked about this book on my Instagram handle and my Facebook group. So those who are there on my Facebook or Instagram handle, I have already spoken about this book. This book is again a bestseller and it has been translated from Kannada to English. This book is the story of Lakshmi, now Razia, who has married the love of her life, Amir. 28 years into her marriage with Amir, Lakshmi and Amir both met at Pune FTI, and they are veterans in the Kannada theatre and film industry. What crops up that leads Lakshmi to question her lineage, the history of the religion that she actually belonged to, and the religion today she is a member of. This book questions human identity, religious beliefs, sex. This book is a bit different than the other books that I have read. I have completed around 200 pages, that is 50% of this particular book, and I'm deeply engrossed into the book because the questions that come when you are reading this book are something that can raise fire on your known things, on the known things that you have been born and brought up. Such are the questions that has been put forth in this particular book. To know more about Avarna the Veil, you must read it, and I plan to make a full review of this book. So if you want to see a full review of this particular book, please mention in the comment section below. Then in future I might make a full-fledged video on this particular book, Avarna the Veil. The next book that I have just begun yesterday is a very, very popular book. The book is The Ministry of Utmost Happiness by Arundhati Roy. Now, this book is extremely popular and most of the people in the literary sectors or the readers out there have already read this book. Since I have just begun reading this particular book, it is a story of a boy or a girl, means the child growing in a Muslim family is born Hijra, and what and how the parents of the child who is born Hijra faces, how the Hijra from his childhood till middle age sees the society, how the society treats a Hijra. That has been told beautifully, and the language of this book, simple, easy, but you know it will keep an impact when you are reading this book as a reader. So that is the beauty of the writing style by Arundhati Roy. Well, I have not read her famous book God of Small Things, but I plan to begin Arundhati Roy from this particular book, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. Until now I have read about 50 pages of the book, and I am already into the book, and I am looking forward to read the whole book. The next book that I want to read is a non-fiction. Again, a very, very popular book. It is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Kalker. Now, I don't have a physical copy of the book, but I plan to buy it from, there is a Google Books account from which I plan to buy the ebook. Now, as much I know about this book talks about why a positive attitude is required in various walks of life. How you as an individual can benefit from having a positive attitude. What positive attitude can bring into your life. So I'm looking forward to read that particular book. It is a very small book of around 120 or 150 pages, and I hope to finish it soon, and I will talk in details of that book in some other video. Another book, again I don't have a physical copy, but it's a very popular book. It's also a non-fiction. It is Zen, the Art of Living. Now this particular book has been told by many people to me to read this particular book. It talks about the 100 principles that the author Zen has told to lead a simple, easy life, and how it can better you as an individual, as a human being. So again, I'm looking forward to read the Zen, the Art of Living. Another popular, very popular book that I want to read, and it's there on my bookshelf for a very, very long time, is Lolita by Vladimir Nabokov. I'm sure most of you know the story of this particular book. It is the obsession of a professor towards a 12-year-old girl. I know only this much about this book, and I'm looking forward to read why this book is so controversial. So this is another book that I plan to read during this period of extended lockdown. Next set of books that I would talk in this particular video are regional books. Those books are in Hindi and Bengali. So those of you who can't read Hindi and Bengali can skip this particular part. The first book is Gunaho Ka Devta by Dharamveer Bharti. I had started this book. I read about 10-15 pages, then I lost the track, so I had kept the book. This is a very, very popular book in Hindi literature, and if you know how to read Hindi, you must read this particular book. This book I started reading, but I had kept it. So I plan to finish reading this particular book and talk in details about this book. The next three books, again, I don't have physical copy of these books, but I have got the e-versions of these books. They are in Bengali. The first book is Hieroglyphed Deshe by Anirban Das. This is a Bengali book. This book was published most probably last year. It's a very popular book. It talks about Egypt, and it talks about the specialities that were in Egypt, like the pharaoh, the mummy, and the other things. The story is divided into each specific chapters, and each specific chapters talk about each specific monument, person, place, history of Egypt. The entire book is written in a story format. There is a communication going on between two medical students and a bookseller who sells books at College Street Market in Kolkata. Another book or a book series, I want to buy the physical copy of the book, but now I don't have any other option but to go and resort on the e-version of the book. This book is called, one book is called Robindranath Ekhane Eshe Chilo, and the other book most probably Robindranath Ekhane Khete Ashini or something. I'll put the right name in the description section below. This book is written by a very, very popular Bangladeshi writer. Book is in Bengali, obviously, and this book is a thriller. I was very much attracted by the book's cover and the title of the book. The book is a thriller, and the way the book has been talked about by Bengali booktubers, which aroused curiosity and interest in me to read the book as early as possible. So these are some of the books that I plan to read in this second phase of lockdown, and I will make a video on the best books that I read during this lockdown. Maybe there will be a review video kind of a thing. So how do you like today's video? If you like this particular video, please press the like button down below, and to know more about the videos that I post on Book Tales by Preetha, do not forget to subscribe Book Tales by Preetha. I will come up with a new video very soon. Tata and bye bye.